I had just finished After eliminating her, I cut off one of her fingers, put it in a bag, and left the gas station. Meanwhile, Wallace received a report from his men. The assassination had failed. Realizing things were spiraling out of control, he immediately assembled a team of retired Navy SEALs to specifically protect his son's safety. Meanwhile, I had already arrived at the assassin's hideout. I used that finger to open the door. Then, from the computer, I tracked down the location of the fraud ring's headquarters. One case after another kept popping up. The FBI also began tracking my whereabouts. Just then, the deputy director walked in with his team. Julie immediately reported to them. They had uncovered information about the fraud ring's headquarters. That location was likely where I would strike next. To prevent further loss of life, the deputy director ordered Julie to lead a team there to provide protection. Before long, the FBI agents arrived at the building's entrance. They discovered that the group of veterans Wallace had recruited had been hired as security. The building was already heavily fortified. They were all former Navy SEALs, and with Wallace's special authorization, the FBI agents were forced to remain outside the building. But just as the FBI agents were discussing their defensive strategy, I had already appeared among them.